What's up, you guys? It's King Malcolm here, back with another video. Oh gosh, chapstick. But it's been a while. It's been a little while, not a long while. But thought I'd do a little vlog unboxing type of video. We got something special in the mail today that I've been waiting a while for. So let's get to it. I hate the lighting in here for real. I'm gonna set you guys down for just a second. Alright, so it's a little dark, but here's our package. And let's open it up. I'm excited. I think you guys will be excited. When you don't got scissors, you gotta use a pen. I've been waiting literal weeks for this. We'll get into it in like just a second. I know it's like Christmas. So I got my very own King Malcolm t-shirt. Yay! King Malcolm t-shirt. This shit look big for real, and the logo looks small. So, but it didn't stop there. You see, hoodie season is approaching. Dun, 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 dun. King Malcolm hoodie. So I ordered both of these through Shirt App. This is a non-sponsored video, but after the things that I've been through with them, it probably should be. The fuck is this camera? Okay, there we go. So, oh shit. Okay, the camera is like experiencing an issue. But so I ordered these through Shirt App because I like myself probably like everybody else in the world has seen them marketed on social media, Instagram and Snapchat more particularly. I mean, the quality of the stuff doesn't look that bad. You know, you gotta watch and see. Thought the logo would be a little bit bigger, but it's not that bad. Not that bad. Thought it would be a little bit bigger. The shirt seems mad big, but it's fine because I got mad stomach, so we'll be okay. The hoodie, the logo's a little bit darker on the hoodie, if we're gonna be honest here. I don't know, it might just be me, it might just be the light in my room. But yeah, so what I say, I've been waiting weeks. I literally ordered this like 3 weeks ago. Last week I had to email them like, where's my order? Apparently either the shirt or the hoodie had to get reprinted. And then like, so that's what the holdup was. So now it's finally here. I was a little thirsty to have my own stuff, but there's another. I bought something else because I bought these things. So let's take a trip to the closet. My room is mad dirty. It's a good thing y'all can't see the floor. It is mad. So we're gonna go in the closet. And I've dropped it. Some of you, based off the box, might know what it is, but knowing me, I had to buy some shoes. I was gonna do an unboxing on these when these came last week, but I decided not to. So I bought these royal blue Jordan 12s because they kind of match. The blue actually looks a lot brighter on camera than it does in person. And the blue on my shirt looks a little bit darker, but it's okay. The logos on these shirts is okay, but I bought these. More like I got this because I wanted these. Makes sense? Makes sense. But that's it. I just wanted to pop in and give you guys a little unboxing vlog type deal. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.